Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are the ratios based on comparison of the three sides of a right angle triangle, that is the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. The three ratios are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Theta is a letter of Greek alphabet. Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and according to this figure, perpendicular is small a and hypotenuse is small c. Sin theta equals to a upon c. Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse, base equals to small b and hypotenuse equals to small c. Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular equals to small a and base equals to small b. Trigonometric ratios of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. We can find these ratios if the measure of the right angle triangle is given. Consider trigonometric ratios of 30 degree. Firstly, draw a right angle triangle with angle 30 degree. Triangle ABC is the triangle we are going to study in this question. In the given right angle triangle ABC, M angle ABC, measuring angle ABC equals to 30 degree. In a right angle triangle, if the given angle is 30 degree, it means the length of hypotenuse is equals to the length of two perpendicular. If the length of perpendicular is equals to 1, it means the length of hypotenuse equals to 2. If P equals to 1, then hypotenuse is equals to 2. According to Pythagoras theorem, C square equals to A square plus B square. The value of C is 2. Square of 2 is equals to, I don't know the value of A, that's why A square remain as it is, plus 1 square. Square of 2 is 4, is equals to A square plus 1. 4 minus 1 is equals to A square. 4 minus 1 equals to 3 is equals to A square. A square is equals to 3. Now we will take square root. Square root will cancel the square. A is equals to square root of 3. This is the length of line segment BC. Small a is equals to square root of 3. Hence, the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree are sin theta is equals to 30 degree is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equals to B upon C, B equals to 1 and C equals to 2. Sin 30 degree is equals to 1 upon 2. Cos 30 degree is equals to base upon hypotenuse is equals to A upon C, base upon hypotenuse, and the value of base is under root 3 divided by 2. Tan 30 degree is equals to perpendicular upon base is equals to B upon A is equals to B equals to 1 and the value of A is root 3. Ratios of 60 degree. Draw a right angle triangle with angle 60 degree. ABC is a triangle and M angle ABC is equals to 60 degree here. In this triangle, the length of hypotenuse is equals to 2 base. If B equals to 1, then hypotenuse equals to 2. It means if I am taking the length of BC, which is equals to A, is equals to 1, it means the length of hypotenuse AB is equals to 2. After that, you will find the value of B with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Then you will find the value of trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. Now comes to the topic trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Draw a right angle triangle with angle 45 degree. We know that M angle A plus M angle B plus M angle C equals to 180 degree. M angle A plus the value of M angle B is 45 degree. The value of M angle C is 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. 45 degree plus 90 degree equals to 135 degree. M angle A plus 135 degree is equals to 180 degree. M angle A is equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. M angle A is equals to 45 degree, which is equals to M angle B. If two angles in a triangle are equal, it means the side opposite to them are also equal. Perpendicular is equals to base. A equals to 1, it means B is also equals to 1. I have explained how to find the values of trigonometric ratios of 60 degree and 45 degree. You will solve the Pythagoras theorem for these two ratios by yourself, and after that find the value of sin 30 cos 30 tan 30, like sin 30 cos 30 tan 30 as sin 60 cos 60 and tan 60, and in this question sin 45 cos 45 and tan 45 by your own.